Welcome to our yearly review of the Family Educational Rights and Privacy Act. This is Darlene Griffiths. This is also known as FERPA. FERPA is the federal law that protects the confidentiality of students' educational records. As school personnel, we need to know a few things about FERPA. We must keep information in a student's education record confidential and secure. This includes student grades, immunization and health records, discipline records, IEPs, progress reports, academic test results, grade point average, and attendance. So to keep those records secure, lock your computer, put student papers away, do not leave records on your desk. Be wary of free websites that collect student data, and shred records that contain personally identifiable information about students. So what can we share? Districts must provide notice to families that explains what types of info the school says is directory information. Parents then have the option to opt out of sharing this information with third parties. Directory information includes the student's name, address, phone number, email, photo, participation activities, grade level, and dates of attendance. Who can view a student's records? Parents and students 18 years of age or older, school officials, teachers, and authorized representatives of the state and local education programs. FERPA does not allow disclosure of students' personally identifiable information, or PII. Schools may not share student data for commercial purposes or marketing, and they must not share data to help make employment decisions. Peer grading was a big deal a few years ago. FERPA says that as long as the peers grade the papers first and then the teachers collect it and put it in the gradebook, there is no violation of FERPA. Video surveillance. Video surveillance does not violate FERPA as long as those that are being videotaped know it, in the hallways, the stairwells, the school buses, parking lots, and even classrooms, but we have to post notice. Parents can view student records. If they dispute anything in the file, they have 10 days to rectify that. If no agreement can be reached, they can seek legal counsel. And here are my sources. Thank you, and I hope you enjoyed this year's training of FERPA.